It's a purple potato, a purple potato. Salt, pepper, olive oil, go! Bow. There we go. Alright, we got the oven at 425. I'm gonna do 10 minutes, flip them over, and bake for 10 more minutes. And then we're gonna season those babies. Oop! Here we are. All finished, all seasoned, all delicious purple potato. Let's try that. We got nutritional yeast and some onion powder for seasoning with the salt and pepper. Oh my goodness. I don't think there's any form of potatoes I don't like except for scallop potatoes. These are the perfect soft and crispy texture. Oh my goodness, it's so satisfying. I do not know what dude made up scallop potatoes, but I guess he doesn't like good texture, or whoever the heck it is. Either way, I'm in potato heaven, and y'all have a good day. Have a good day.